Yo, what's up guys? Ali Plays 123 back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be opening 2 packs of Legends of the Cosmos. So in these packs, we're probably looking for Pelfam because his art is super cool. And I don't know, just looking for a lot of new cards to help me complete my set. So, let's start. And a ridiculously rare Beast of the Black Hole for our first card. Wow. I do not have this card yet. Ground Knight, Super Bouncy Trampoline, Cursed Belows, Pointy Boggy Booga, Shioshi and Lava Target, and a Gomp, really rare. He looks awesome. Arrow Knight, Seed Blaster, Wild Wing, Orboth, Peblo, Orbit, Tonononononon, Galactivo, Astral Traveler, Quatriaga, Double Wormhole. That's our last card. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and find all the rares. Okay, next pack. And ridiculously rare Galaxy Crash for our first card. Divine Knight, Phenomenus the Right, Mystical Relic Golden Chalice, Duple Drop, Galactisaber, and a really rare Drangel. Oh my gosh, that is some awesome background art. I love the new colors he puts on the cards that he changes. I think Pelfam's probably the coolest, but I don't think I'm gonna get him. Telepathic Touch, Zeta Ray Mantilossus, Galactibo, Death Talisman, Shirok, Double Wormhole, Ice Elixir, Upside Down Realm, and Viridius the Devourer. That's a nice card. Star Dealer, Terramorphing, Double-Sided Spear, and that's it. Okay, so I don't think I got any duplicates from the cards I already had for Legends of the Cosmos, so that's really good. But now we're gonna go over all the rares I got. Yeah, I think I should have gotten 4th rare. Yep, Upside Down Realm. Okay. So we did get both limited editions, so that's good too. Okay. So for rares, we got Tanananananan, Growl Knight, Arrow Knight, Orbit, Beast of the Black Hole, Galaxy Crash, Drangel, Comp, Upside Down Realm, Zetteray Mantalosis, Ice Elixir, and Divinite. So I think we did pretty good on these packs, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.